This is Nina, and she's going to be giving us our tour today. How many types of mushrooms do you sell, Nina?
Right now, king oyster, shimeji, buna shimeji, enoki, and shiitake.
So that's 5.
Right. This is a mixture for the mushroom to grow, the soda, rice, and wheat bran. And just to make the bed of the mushroom to grow. We have to put in this butter. We steam them 212 degrees to sterilize. We cook 9 hours in the boil.
The soil?
Yeah. No dirt, just wood chips and rice and wheat bran.
Oh.
No dirt. Because these mushrooms, tree mushrooms, grown. These are the ones that, how to say, like a steamer,
a giant steamer?
Like a cookie, cooker, like a pressure cooker, something like that. We have to steam 9 hours to sterilize ingredients.
The soil? The medium?
So, the bacteria is that 99.9% killed.
Oh. Now you have a thermometer on there.
Yes, that's Japanese temperature.
Japanese?
Yes, 102 Celsius.
Celsius?
Yes.
So all the little containers go into that.
Yes, 2,000 bottles in there. We cook 9 hours. Then we move to the other room. It's very cold. After cook, move very hot, but move it over there, quickly going down. So only that room temperature is maybe only 32, 35 degrees.
Okay.
Because if you gradually cool down, bacteria grown up again. This is the planting room. We seeding now the mushroom corn is planted now. If we started, cannot get out because they don't want to contaminate the bacteria. So they stay there until finished.
So you have to keep the door closed when you're working in there.
Before they start it, that's overnight, the ultraviolet light is on in the room. So clean all area too before we see it.
Oh.
Very sensitive to bacteria. After planted, we keep in this room. This is we call cultivation room. Inoculate. So this one, this is already mushroom spores developed.
Oh.
And you can tell this is not ready. The bottom is not ready. They all supposed to go down, make completely white. And each mushroom has a different period to stay here. Some of them stay only 1.5 months. Some of them stay 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Like shiitake needs to stay 6 months.
Oh, so it all depends on the type of mushroom.
Yes, yes. I think earliest one come out 1.5 months. And this room temperature is 70 degrees. And the moisture is 70. And like now in this room has about 45,000 bottles in here.
45,000 bottles. Wow.
This is the starting room. Baby mushroom coming out.
The babies are just developing.
Yes. This room is very cold, from 70 to 50. So we just give them the notice. Your season came, so you wear gloves. We kind of fool, like a Mother Nature.
Yeah. So you have your own natural environment.
Yes. You can see already baby started. They like it.
Yeah.
And all white now, completely.
Yeah. So what happened to the medium that they were growing in? Did the medium become mushrooms? Oh.
This is growing room.
Yeah. They're starting to come up.
Started over there, babies, and we moved to this room temperature is a little warmer than over there, 55.
So to the mushroom, that's like spring.
Autumn or winter. This is spring too.
Yeah.
From growing room, it's full grown. Employee pick up the jar to bring to the process room, and we cut off the top and selected small one, big one, and we packed as the customer wanted, 1 pound pack or 8 ounces or 5 ounces, 6 ounces, depend on the market, how big they want.
And do you dry mushrooms and sell them dried too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever we have more than enough, we chop it and dry. Especially summertime and autumn. The winter time too much wet, so we use sometimes dehydrator, but mostly we dry with sun dry better. So.
Yeah. You get better results with the sun dried?
Yes, more nutrition.
Oh.
I think more vitamin D.
How far do you ship your mushrooms?
My mushroom, one customer I have in Hawaii.
Oh.
That's the fastest.
Yeah.
Some New York. They go by airplane, of course. The post office has a special, flat rate box. I just put as much I can. And it's Hawaii. If I send Monday already, Wednesday they receive. But mostly local, like a Bay Area, LA. Sometimes go to Nevada and Oregon, Washington.
Los Angeles area?
Yeah, Los Angeles and San Francisco, San Jose, San Mateo. That's the most my customers. Berkeley.
Now, the viewers that watch the videos that I put on, they are worldwide.
Wow.
And I was wondering, I've had them as far away as England and Australia, Germany. And if they were to want some dried mushrooms from you, could they order some?
I think so, because dry mushroom is easy to send.
Yeah, okay.
But in the United States, some mushroom I cannot send, like enoki need cooling system. But the king oyster I can send by airmail if somebody wanted. I already sent to New York, Hawaii. They don't have any problem. So
okay,
they can keep pretty good,
Thank you for the tour.
Oh, thank you. Welcome to.